Hello, my friend. Have you ever felt like life is nudging you, gently but persistently, telling you that you're on the edge of something extraordinary? Perhaps it's a thought that won't leave you alone, or a sense of restlessness that stirs in your soul. That feeling isn't random, it's your inner self whispering, you're ready for a shift. Now, let's be clear. A shift doesn't come from wishing or hoping. It's born in the moment when you realize the power you hold over your reality. The life you're experiencing right now is not happening to you, it's happening because of you. That might be a startling thought, but it's also the most liberating truth you'll ever encounter. When you're ready to shift, you begin to notice something remarkable. You realize that the patterns in your life, the relationships, the struggles, the triumphs, are reflections of your inner beliefs. Everything you experience is a mirror, showing you what you hold true about yourself and the world. If you want to change what's reflected, you must first change the source. Here's where it gets fascinating. The moment you see this, the moment it truly clicks for you, is the moment your transformation begins. You're not bound by the past. You're not a victim of circumstances. You are the creator of your reality, shaping it with your thoughts, your emotions, and your beliefs. So how do you start? The first step is to acknowledge where you are right now without judgment. Look at your life and ask yourself, what have I been imagining about myself and my world? If you see limitations, struggles, or fears, understand that these are simply ideas you've accepted as truth. But here's the good news, ideas can change. Shift your focus to what you desire, not what you fear. Imagine the life you want as if it's already yours. Feel the emotions of living that life, joy, peace, confidence. This isn't about daydreaming, it's about aligning your inner state with the reality you wish to create. One of the most powerful tools you have is your imagination. Many people dismiss imagination as mere fantasy, but it's so much more. It's the blueprint for your reality. What you consistently imagine with feeling becomes your experience. Close your eyes and picture yourself living your ideal life. Don't just see it, feel it. How does it feel to wake up in the morning with excitement? How does it feel to know you are deeply loved and supported? Let those feelings flood your being, and hold on to them. Doubt may creep in, but that's okay. Doubt is simply a sign that your old beliefs are being challenged. When doubt arises, gently remind yourself of the truth, what you focus on expands. Choose to focus on the reality you wish to create, even if it feels unfamiliar at first. As you persist in this practice, you'll notice changes. The people, opportunities, and experiences that align with your new state of being will start to appear. These aren't coincidences, they're confirmations that your shift is taking place. Celebrate these moments, no matter how small they seem. They're signs that you're moving in the right direction. Now, let's talk about patience. Shifting doesn't always happen overnight. It's a process, and it requires trust. Trust that your inner work is creating outer change. Trust that the universe is responding to your new state of being. And trust yourself, your ability to remain focused and aligned with your desires. It's also important to release resistance. Resistance shows up as worry, frustration, or a need to control how things unfold. Let go of the how and focus on the what. What do you want? What does it feel like? The more you relax into the process, the faster your shift will happen. Recall, you're not alone in this. There's a force greater than you, working with you, guiding you. Call it God, the universe, or your higher self, whatever resonates with you. This force wants your highest good and is always conspiring in your favor. Trust in this partnership, and you'll find the journey much smoother. A key part of shifting is gratitude. Gratitude is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. When you're grateful, you align yourself with abundance and possibility. Start each day by giving thanks, not just for what you have now but for what's on its way. Say, thank you for my new life. Thank you for the love, success, and joy that are mine. Feel the gratitude as if your desires are already fulfilled. Once you've recognized that you're ready to shift, the next step is allowing yourself to truly experience the power of your inner focus. Life is not simply a sequence of external events, it is the projection of your internal state. What many fail to realize is that your beliefs, thoughts, and expectations are the silent architects of your reality. When you shift your inner world, everything external begins to realign. One crucial aspect of this process is letting go of unnecessary baggage. This doesn't mean forgetting the past or erasing experiences, but rather releasing the emotional weight you've tied to them. Often, people cling to old stories about who they are and what they've been through. These stories might have shaped your perspective, but they don't define your potential. Release the need to identify with limitations. You are far more than the narrative you've been repeating to yourself. As you move forward, learn to tune into the subtle signals within you. Your feelings are powerful indicators of alignment, or misalignment, with the life you desire. When you feel uneasy or resistant, it's a signal that your thoughts are straying from the vision you're trying to create. These moments are not setbacks, they're opportunities to recalibrate. Pause, breathe, and redirect your focus to what you want to experience. Begin to notice the language you use when you think or speak about your life. Words have creative power, and they reflect the beliefs you hold. If you catch yourself saying, "I can't, it's too hard," or "I'm stuck," challenge these thoughts. Replace them with empowering statements such as, "I am capable, I am open to new possibilities, and things are always working out for me." It may feel unnatural at first, but with practice, this shift in language creates a shift in your reality. Another overlooked element is consistency. The shift you're making is not a single moment of revelation but an ongoing practice of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your highest vision. Consistency doesn't mean perfection, it means persistence. Even when doubt or fear arises, keep returning to the truth of your inner power. Reaffirm your intention daily, and trust that small, consistent steps will lead to profound results. One powerful practice is to consciously create rituals that support your shift. These don't have to be elaborate or time-consuming. A few minutes of quiet reflection each morning, writing down your desires as if they've already been fulfilled, or affirming your worth before bed can have a transformative impact. These rituals anchor your focus and remind you of the power you hold in shaping your experience. Surround yourself with things that uplift and inspire you. Whether it's music, books, conversations, or simply spending time in nature, what you expose yourself to has a direct effect on your mindset. Seek out environments and influences that align with the life you're creating. This isn't about avoidance or escapism, it's about consciously choosing what supports your growth and expansion. As you continue on this path, you'll notice a profound change in how you see yourself. You'll no longer identify with limitations or failures. Instead, you'll see yourself as limitless, capable, and worthy of all that is good. This shift in self-perception is the foundation for everything else. And here's something vital: don't wait for the world to validate your new state of being. Validation comes from within. Decide who you are, and live as if it's already true. The world will catch up, but you must lead the way. When you see this, know that you're ready. You wouldn't have found these words if you weren't. Take this as a sign, a reminder of the power you've always had but may have forgotten. This is your moment to reclaim it. The shift you seek is not something outside of you, it's within. It's a change in how you think, feel, and perceive. And the best part? You have everything you need to make it happen. It starts with a choice to see yourself and your life through the lens of possibility and creation. So, my friend, are you ready to shift? If the answer is yes, then begin now. Imagine the life you want, feel it as if it's already yours, and trust the process. Your new reality is waiting for you. All you need to do is step into it.